a doll, you might have to do you, but you might have to use a snack of apples first.
Good.
Daddy, you can never take pictures here.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not taking any pictures.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Mm-mm.
Yes, you are. You are.
No.
Yes.
Who's that?
Me?
Who's that little puppet? On your hand, Scarlet.
It's me.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. It's me and you, Daddy.
Oh, what a wonderful thing.
And Mommy's at work.
Oh, she is.
Yes.
So it's just you and me?
Yes. We're walking.
I love it. What else are we doing?
We're just having ice cream.
Yum.